Okay, thank you, Oliver. So we are basically at the end of the conference. Only one big thing is in front of us, which is at the end the Best Paper Award and Best Poster Award. We collected the information during the day and have a winner for both of them. But before we get to this, we will basically recap a little bit of the day and also have a look at the steering committee, so that it was really a lot of work to get this conference in place. And I'm really happy and glad that it worked that smooth. Basically, for the first time, we are, I think, a very solid team in terms of running the show live. This is running really smooth, but this year with the changed venue, having it virtual, was really a challenge. But from the feedback I got and from what I saw, we had a real great program, and it was really running smooth. So thanks to the steering committee of 2020. And normally there's a big applause as usual, but let's do it just verbally as of now. Yeah, maybe you switch to the next slide. Then we have, of course, our conference sponsors who basically kind of enabled us to do all of this, because nothing comes for free. It's one of the things you learn, one of the first things when you enter the world, that nothing is for free. We have the Accelera System Initiative as our conference sponsor, and Cadence, Mentor, and Synopsys as our global sponsors from the EDA side. Next slide. On top of that, we have our silver sponsors, and I know you heard this 4 times now already, but as those many companies spend some money, I think it's worth to mention them and give them the honor that they support us. So that's Amicu, Secret Circle, OneSpin, Segassi, and Various this year. Hopefully they're also sponsors again next year, and we also have some gold sponsors next year. And the other thing, I think, which is really kind of asking for a real applause, is these exhibitors which really did go with us through this experience of having everything virtual in place and doing the exhibition sponsorship, like Aldec, Amicu, Secret Circle, Jade, Design Automation, OneSpin, Optima, Qualcomm, Segassi, and Various. I hope they had a good time. As I saw, the second day there was more participation in our virtual experience environment, and I hope there was also more questions and interests on the booth. So I think it's something that we need to learn to work in, and I think it's also something that feels more and more comfortable if you see somebody from his living room doing a presentation rather than being on stage in a hotel with the normal kind of setup. I think it probably will become a more usual thing these days. And let's see how it feels when we get into a hotel again, if we are then frustrated of traveling and having hotels, booking and crowded roads and so on. The other sponsor side we have is, of course, the tutorial sponsors, which kind of provide information also to us, of course, by leveraging and advertising their products where they did kind of the work with. This is MathWorks, Mentor, OneSpin, Optima, Segassi, and Synopsys. The media sponsors, EDA Cafe, E-News, E-Electronic, and the other ones are at the bottom. I can't really read, but one thing, this Electronic in Norden, it's always interesting to see an article from them. You see some familiar words, but of course I can't read any Swedish nor Norwegish. It's really interesting to see this kind of articles in a different language than English. And of course, last but not least, our best paper And
one thing to add.
Yeah.
Of course, big thank you to you, to the attendees, for joining us from wherever you have been in worldwide in your home offices, mostly. That has been great. So many affiliations, more than 90, many countries. So thanks for that. And also we updated the statistics from this morning's, from the keynotes and the tutorials. So we had a good mixture of the program, which was also showing that it has a lot of interest, because all of the sessions had been nicely visited. And that is also a good sign that we had a high quality program. And that was also for me a very personal experience for this year, as we decided in spring that we had to cancel the DVCon Europe. At the same time, there was encouragement from the field, from also within the team, that we should try it out, transform. Nowadays, you see maybe the one or the other virtual event, but at that time it was really a big jump into the cold water. And looking back, that has been phenomenal, because in my view, everything, well, probably I should not say everything, but given the things that could be wrong, and I know what I'm talking about, because my own Wi-Fi was breaking this morning, probably similar experiences across. The whole platform worked really well. I would like also to thank our platform provider from Conference Catalyst, and especially Brianna, who helped here with countless hours on making this a true virtual connected experience. And for that, a simple thank you for attending, but also for all of you who contributed in whatever form with submissions to make this a true engineering community event, from engineers to engineers.
I think one thing that was also clear from the program, this kind of theme that we try to drive to get more software into the program, was clearly seen in all of the keynotes, that this is really the topic that we need to go after more and more, and also the system thinking, which is then also covered more on the Systems Evolution Day, which happens tomorrow. But I think it's confirming that we are on the right track in terms of moving or shifting the program a little bit more to the software side.
All right. And now, increasing the tension, still not yet the best paper. But prior doing this, we welcome your feedback. Of course, please share what you like, share what you don't like, which topics you would like to see for the next year. And we take it very seriously and appreciate if you take your time. It's only a few minutes for you, but giving the feedback will help us to make this even better for the next conference.
Yeah, and we are all verification guys. We basically know that it's good to get negative feedback, because only known bugs are good bugs.
All right. Now getting close into it. So Best Paper and Poster Award, which is sponsored this year by Qualcomm. We are close to announce this. Joachim, you have a certain order in mind, because I have to admit I was now with Mike's keynote. I might have missed the last order. Let's start now with the Best Paper.
Depends on if you have the right presentation with the filled out templates.
No,
that's a big question.
Let's see.
So you make the first and I do the second.
All right. Okay.
Whatever
then,
it is.
Yes. Then, of course, the most thing is about Prestige, but there will be also about an Amazon voucher to be sent out. Let me now go to the Best Paper. And now the Best Paper for DVCon, first ever event, virtual 2020, is, let's go to the next slide. For the paper entitled Clock Controller Unit Design Metrics, Area, Power, Software, Flexibility, and Congestion Impacts at System Level. And this is a paper which was submitted from Michel Giller and Leonardo Gobbi from Qualcomm in Irland. And I really would like Sorry, I'm really missing this type of applause. To give the applause from all of us, because the quality of all the papers have been fantastic, and that really means that we have also one sticking out, and that's something we would like to appreciate. And I'm not sure if Michelle or Leonardo, if you're on site, I hope you can get promoted to video that we can see you. That would be nice, unless of course we send you the voucher offline. But let's see if they are in audience. Please run to the stage.
Yeah.
Yes.
And of course, you're also welcome to join in the 3D world afterwards.
I just promoted one of them to panelist.
All right. Okay. I hope this is working. Yeah, I think Michelle is joining. So, of course, it's fully up to you. If you would like to open up your video and audio, that would be nice.
Hi, guys. Can you hear me? Yeah, let me just...
Yes, we hear loud and clear.
Thanks. I would like just to... How can I add the video? Because when I go to the video, it say mute to rename. It doesn't allow me like to unlock the video camera.
Should be on the bottom left menu on the Zoom.
Oh yeah, start video. Yeah.
Too many buttons.
Can you see me?
Yes, yes, Michelle.
Yeah, great.
Congratulations. Thank you. So we're doing it virtually. Where currently? Somewhere Dublin, or I don't know exactly.
I'm from Cork. I live in Cork, Ireland. Yeah. And thanks anyway. It was really unexpected, to be honest. And yeah, anyway, it was really interesting. Anyway, the conference. This one was actually the first time that Qualcomm could submit a paper external to the company itself, right here in Ireland. So, and I think it's a good achievement for everybody. And this one is actually a project that I made with one of the master students that they came on board for the internships, and it was actually also my first mentorship. So it's a really, I'm really happy, to be honest. So
all right, but now we have set the bar high. This was the first one. You need to
I need to keep up the good work. So
okay, excellent, Michelle. Please share with your co-authors, and congratulations again for getting that best paper award.
Thank you so much.
In the coming days.
Yes.
Oh yeah.
All right.
I think Paul is in the call, so.
Okay. Yeah, it will be noticed. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Bye, guys.
Greetings to Ireland from Munich with love.
Thank you.
Next one, I think Joachim, you would like to go ahead.
So, and the next best award is the best poster award, which we also kind of have had a drawing for, and the best poster goes to.
We had two, right?
And Mark Hendover and Abdel Ari.
Abdel Ayari, I have to name him because he was my colleague earlier on, and I'm so keen that he get a prize. Of course, also happy for Ping and Mark.
And the title was Formal Verification Experience, Silicon Bug Hunting with Deep Sea Fishing. Congratulations for this best poster award. Is anybody of the authors in the audience?
I think I see Abdel. Maybe he can be promoted. It would be Ayari.
Yeah, I think the poster setup and having the posters was really a nice thing together with our virtual setup. It was really nice to walk around and kind of watch to all those posters. Was enriching the conference, I would say.
All right. I think I see Abdel now. Abdel, can you hear us?
You hear me?
Yes,
Yeah.
Abdel.
Yeah.
Congratulations to you and your team. Can you open your video if possible?
Thank you so much. Yeah, I can try to make the video working.
Where are you located?
I'm located in Munich.
Ah, okay, close by, kind of.
Very close to you. Do you see me? Maybe you can see me
Yes.
now.
Yes. Long time no see.
Yeah, it's just a big honor to have this award. Thank you for this. Was actually not expected. Yeah, we put some work on this. Hope it's useful for many people working in the formal certification area. Yeah, thank you again.
Congratulations, Abdel. Yeah, it will be available on the platform.
Thank you so much.
And you can look it up also once the conference is over. That's all available. Thanks a lot, Abdel.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All award winners are also invited to come to the after show party, and then we can have some face-to-face with social distancing talk there as well.
Okay, then
I see it's already in the 3D world.
Yeah, let me just do the one thing. First, I wanted to remind everybody that tomorrow is the System C Evolution Day that is upcoming, and it will be also very interesting. Ola from Ericsson has organized it this year. I looked into the program, really fantastic program. So you can still attend, and let's see now from moving forward. This starts quite early, 8:30, and it will be a full day packed of evolution around System C. Moving ahead, now coming to the fun part. I think currently in 2020, we are on the left side, still more on the virtual mode. And even that picture with Tran and, the winners from past year had been taken from 2019. But we really hope from the whole steering committee that we see you also in person again. I think my own takeaway from this virtual experience is it's great to listening such virtual conferences, but there's one element, this face-to-face. Maybe it can be shortened, whatever. I still want to have it, at least personally. And that is something hopefully to see you in person. And it will be somewhere around in October. Date and location will be announced soon. And now I would like to give it to Joachim, because we now want to move over into our virtual world. And Brianna has also, I think, already her webcam on seeing who can join that world, because there had been a lot of efforts on getting into this virtual world, and it's quite simple to join. You see it below. Go just to this address. You can join it. You see it on the website, and we will meet in the lobby 2 at the AMS room for virtual beer or having discussion and your real beer next to you.
Or basically provide us your feedback in person. If you don't want to write into the feedback form, you can also talk to one of us and give us what you liked and what you disliked, and then the steering committee can basically provide the feedback.
All right. So, Brianna, do we have already some looks at this lobby?
Yeah, I was just pulling it up and seeing where people were. It looked like 2 were in lobby 1 and 1 was in lobby 2, so I wasn't sure which we want to go to.
I think we said lobby 2 AMS room. Is Mark Burton here? He's an expert on this.
He's showing up already on the picture, right? But frozen. Yeah, I think it was in overall a real great experience this way, and I have to agree to Oliver until we have this up here, that this personal thing is really missing. And it's kind of, if you're physically there, you're not that much distracted by your day-to-day work, right? So you can really focus on things. which is probably the thing that, but you can't work around that.
So, okay.
Let's see what's going on in the virtual world.
Then with this, I would like to thank you, everybody, and invite you to join us for the virtual world. And now I think it's time to get to our avatars and switching over. So is Mark already here, or can we see somebody? Still empty is this virtual world.
Two persons are there.
So Lucas is there. Paul joined the lobby. Thanks, Lucas. By the way, good question. And
then maybe let's close this call, and I wish everybody good health in these days, and see you in 3D and hopefully soon face to face again.
Yeah, we will keep it like that. We will keep this like a webcast open for some minutes. Then you can see what's happening. And both, Joachim, myself, and the steering committee will join now to the virtual session. And in case you just want to watch what's happening, that's also possible by staying on this stream for a while. Thank you and have a great day. Thanks for joining DVCon 2020.
Bye.
So Joachim did try to share.
Yeah, I see Martin coming. So Joachim, let's get to our avatars.
Yeah. I try to. We should kind of meet in front of a DVCon poster, but we don't have that, and take a picture like last year with the avatars.
Oh, yeah. But I never figured out how to make this avatar really looking great.
Yeah, but I think that's just second thing, right?
Okay.
It's just a matter of getting together. Let's see if I can connect with my Wi-Fi, because this didn't work in the past. Otherwise, I need to move to Milan again, which probably can take a little.
So whom do we see here? We see Mark, and now Katharina is also here. Lucas, Stefan.
Yeah. It looks like from my Wi-Fi connection, I can't connect to this. I need to go to my LAN connection. So I'm probably, need to walk a bit and turn off my camera.
Walk away. Okay, I turn also off, and let's see downstairs.
Yeah. Or a real beer.
And I see there's a pizza. I could use a pizza now, actually.
And it's actually really downstairs.
Idea, actually.
Yeah, it's a bit getting used to, but in the end, it's really better than nothing. If we really could get like a good avatar for next time with your own stage or something, it could really be very good.
I think the reason why the avatars are a bit basic is that there is apparently, and that's also the limitation of 25 people, that there is a limitation in rendering capabilities. So that's why they try to keep it simple. And I think this is still all in its infancy. I think technology is not really mature yet. At least that's our learning a bit.
Yeah. Well, even being mature, it's already. I mean, we wouldn't be having this conversation if this technology was not here, right? So it's already
true. And that's why we at least gave it a try, whether this is working. And yes, we are aware of the limitations, but only like some people also said, only looking at PowerPoints or Zoom sessions, that's also not really covering everything.
No, I agree.
So, how many people do we have in the room? 16. Ah, okay.
Not so bad. Is there any pizza left? I've given you
Probably
all.
you should now, Mark, you should now give everyone a bit of a quick course, because since this is the last hour or last half hour, everyone can do some magic, right?
Yeah, you can do any magic you like. So you should find a magic wand in the top of your screen. You can tap that magic wand, and if you like a cat, there you go. There's a cat. You can build things and delete things, but there's an even better thing you can do in this room. If you look up to the sky and go forwards. Oh, sorry, no, up. One stage missing. You have to press the G key first. There you go.
Oh. Wow.
Hello. Hello. I'm from heaven.
So you can now fly, and you can create stuff, and you can draw on the wall.
Actually, we should give a big round of applause now. Everybody does it at the same time.
Yeah, we could do that. Let's give ourselves a clap.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? There is one person in the room who deserves the clap more than anybody else, and I think that's Brianna.
Oh, let's get over to Brianna.
Big kiss.
No applause.
Thank you very much for all your help through the whole conference, Brianna.
Yep. Thanks a lot. It's really appreciated.
Thanks a lot. It was a pleasure working with you.
Yeah, and a lot of hard work. Thank you.
Thanks, Brianna.
Oh, look, somebody's left Brianna a little gift here.
No, look at that.
There you go.
Would Annette join as well with some people from the press?
I did see Annette earlier. I don't know where she is yet. I have to say, from my side, I'm going to have to drop in a minute. I will warn you that the entire world will disappear at 7 o'clock.
Oh, so really a hard deadline.
Mark, if you would say that in Munich at the bar, then I think it would be funny.
What's that? That the entire world will disappear at 7 o'clock?
Yeah, if we next year, if at DVCon Europe, the entire world will disappear in half an hour.
Yeah, indeed, indeed. Well, it's been fun doing this, and I think we've had
Hello, everybody.
at least have had lots more conversations than I would have done otherwise. Oh, look, there's Jerome. I'll go and say hello. Hello, Jerome. Which one of you is Jerome?
Hi, Martin.
That's Jerome.
Hey, Oliver.
Ah, there we are. How are you doing?
I think we will save the beer for next year, right?
Hey, Pinbar.
Oh no, we have quite an echo.
Hey.
Jerome, you still owe me a review of that code. You know that, don't you?
Best paper award.
Ja, is looking at it. Michelle.
Kunt ook vliegen, weet je dat?
Michelle.
Ja.
Ja.
Hij moet
Yeah,
op de
very
G
well.
intikken, dan heb je fly mode enabled.
I voted for Tulip.
En dan daarna kun je omhoog kijken en dan naar voren. Dan
Well
ga je
done, Samaritan. Well done, Samaritan. All the work you put in.
Can you hear me?
Thanks, Pinbar.
Hey.
Thanks, Antoine. I saw you many times.
First of all,
So
thank
thanks
you.
for
Thank
like
How are you?
participating in this booth
I'm
in 3D
fine.
world.
Yeah, I
Also
have to
Pinbar, this is,
insert
I saw like our team was very much
Das hätte ja die aber so, dass man so viel zusammengepackt
You're a
hat, dass man
penguin.
nicht bloß 3 Tracks hat, sondern
also
sich
saw
dann 3,5
Otman
zumindest.
once, but I think he couldn't
Sorry?
speak, or maybe some issue at his end.
Nee, war
Sorry?
gut.
But
Fand ich auch.
yeah,
Did you
overall
enjoy
our
the
whole team was
conference?
there.
Vielleicht können wir
So
die
thanks for this.
Yeah, I
Webcast
think
irgendwie
there were a
ausmachen.
Webinar
few
went well as
interesting
well.
talks
Yeah,
Theoretisch,
in the
was
app.
hier drin ist,
Ich
kann ich
mach's
ja.
aus, da müssen
Yesterday during the tutorials, and then I think the second part of the
Ja, ich habe
papers I
ziemlich
also
Enttäuschung.
these things
also
like
like
Ja,
this
das
Also
morning
ich
I
glaube,
had
ich weiß
to
warum, weil ich,
skip a few,
just out of our
ich habe das
hands.
andere noch nie, denke ich.
yeah,
Ja.
overall okay quality.
Das heißt, es ist virtual in meinem Kopf.
But, yeah, in this way, I think I
Ja,
actually
genau, jetzt ist
I
besser.
like this
Please
environment.
craft here.
It's at
Ich denke,
least a way to
Genau.
communicate with people other than
Yeah,
just
actually,
looking at PowerPoint slides.
Ja, genau. Ich meine, heute Morgen war natürlich ein bisschen doof.
Kind
Ich
of much
hatte
more lively.
Zusammenbruch
I
von
was
meinem
on some
Wi-Fi.
other conferences
Das
where
war
there were
natürlich
mostly
from around
viewers.
bisschen
Hello, yes.
Can
you hear us?
gerade am Ende von der VW-Keynote.
En
Ja,
wat
dat
was
is
de dag
mooi.
dat we gehad hadden?
Yeah,
Nee, ik vind het wel
Ja,
waarbij
genau,
eigenlijk
haben wir auch
was
gedacht.
oké.
Ja,
Sorry.
das war echt
Ja,
nice,
ja.
das,
Ja.
weil
Nee,
Very
echt
burger flying.
heel erg grappig.
Hola.
Hello.
Ja,
Ja,
ik
dan
zal je de verhaal nog wel een keer vertellen, want er is hier zoveel aan vooraf gegaan.
welche Keynote hatten die am
Ja,
besten
dat
gefallen?
vind ik wel, ja.
Volgens
Mag kijken? Volgens mij zei Mark of Oliver dat een van de open source tool
Ja.
gebruikt was.
You are in Sweden?
Ja, dit is
Ja,
van
ja,
onze vrienden van Mozilla.